If your child or someone in your house is coughing a lot and won't stop, then this video is for you. Be very careful. Do you know what happens when you set an orange on fire? I will teach you how to remedy it at home. This will end your cough in a few minutes. To start, we will need an orange. Let's cut it in half. Now let's take one side of the orange and remove all the seeds from it. And you will also have to remove this white part in the middle. This tip is super impressive. You will thank me for this video. It's very good, and I'm sure you've never thought about it before. This is a super old and homemade remedy. Now put the orange on the fire in its lower part. Stay with me until the end. I'm going to show you what we're going to do and what it's for. Few people know about this home remedy. Stop your children's coughs and yours too. This advice is amazing and so good. That's why it deserves your attention. Now let's add salt, just a small tablespoon. It's for adults as well as kids. Now let's add saffron. We will only use saffron for people over 5 years old. Saffron is a great anti-inflammatory and also has various benefits, such as its richness in antioxidants and its bronchodilator power. Now we leave it on the fire for a few minutes. Let the orange boil. This recipe is ready in minutes and super fast. I'm going to put the other part of the orange. This super simple home remedy is ideal for treating sore throats and, therefore, when you have a sore throat, just follow this advice. Now I will add a few spoonfuls of honey. Honey is excellent for the flu and will help you a lot. Now mix it up, and you have a powerful home remedy on your hands. That was our advice today. Thank you very much for staying here. I'll wait for you in the next video. Everyone stays with God.